very close to from where this product actually is getting manufactured to Rolex. We have been the number one pickup selling brand for more than 2 decades. Actually, people have huge trust in terms of what Bolero can actually offer, and tough DNA of Mahindra. For the commercial vehicle customers where maintenance and cost of operations becomes extremely critical, we provide the lowest category, and this actually helps us to actually deliver more than 68% market in the overall pickup category. Who does Bolero Camper really appeal to, and who are the customers? So they are actually large SMEs, customers who have their own. Where Mahindra is once again, taking the efforts of understanding our customers and bringing out a completely new variant which appeals to the more discerning customers even in the pickup segment. And as always, the utility vehicles, as we call the UV segment, actually Mahindra is number one. In fact, in the month of May, we regained our market share to be the number one. We have the widest range of commercial vehicles actually available. So you can see, the entire range from a three-wheeler to a big truck to a bus to, of course, the last mile connectivity, whether it's in terms of a Supro or a Jito, and of course the entire pickup range. When you really look at just the small commercial vehicles, you will see that we not only have the Bolero range, but we also have an high-end like Imperio, and then of course our Supro as well as Jito and the three-wheeler range of products being sold in the market. Farm produced or otherwise carrying other things that they would need to make their business more fulfilling. In a nutshell, actually we say that these are the special people, खास लोग, जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं और खास लोगों के लिए Khas Gadi. And the customers are continuously changing in terms of what they need from their vehicle. Their expectations are always higher. And as Mahindra, especially with this new variant launch, we are looking at how can we give them better driving comfort and convenience. How can the interiors and exteriors be also stylish and maybe, to an extent it could be car-like. High performance in tough conditions because we know that they go, even off the road in remotest of the locations, whether they are mining sites or construction sites. And then last but not the least, easy to maintain in long run because at the end of the day, it is impacting the bottom line of their business and they would want to run it at minimum cost with less trouble, no unplanned downtime, and all that is something that we would want to really see that we provide in the all-new Bolero. That's the first visuals of the Bolero Camper Gold ZX. You can see that it has got a new grille, a new front. It's got a lot of new safe and comfortable features inside. And I'm going to talk a bit more about what does it have. Amazing comfort and convenience, modern stylish design, high on performance, and definitely low on maintenance. And a lot of it would be there in the brochure that's going to be available to you. When I look at amazing comfort and convenience, so we are giving box leather seats, power windows, central locking, and definitely powerful AC. That makes it more comfortable and convenient because these people are going through some tough driving conditions as well as working conditions. We need to ensure that they get the best of the comfort and convenience which they want, maybe equal to what could be there in cars. Modern stylish design, powerful road presence. As you can see, it has the SUV DNA. New stylish body graphics to again up the style quotient of the vehicle. New attractive front grille and Hawkeye headlamps, as I said earlier. And then of course, premium interiors with new instrument panel and steering. So all this makes it that much more stylish and designed. It's definitely high on performance, like all our pickup offerings. It has the trial and tested N2 DI engine, 3 horsepower engine, and a payload actually is going to be increasing up to 1000 kg. So if needed, they can actually carry more payload. And of course, the option to have a 4-wheel drive when you are taking it down the road in the tough terrains. Assurance of low maintenance. So we are taking the warranty up from 2. suspense on it, let me just share the price of the entire range, and you will definitely get to know what's the Camper Gold ZX pricing there for. And we are keeping it at a very competitive price, but at the same time ensuring that all the value that we give to our customers, we are able to still give them a very reasonable price of only 10,000 rupees more than the current Gold VX. So the new Bolero Camper Gold ZX will actually be available at 7,82,441 ex-showroom price. So with all the new looks, new interiors and new features and a whole host of changes that we have brought in, we are able to give a very attractive price to our customers. That brings me to the end of the presentation. Thank you once again to all of you for taking out time and coming and attending this launch conference for our Bolero Camper ZX. If there are any questions, I am available to answer. And if you could keep the questions to this launch specifically would be my request. BS6 variant, but whenever that is required, which is April 2020, it would be.
We also heard that you are going to phase out some Bolero Gold vehicles which are not compliant. Can you share a little bit on that?
So we would phase out eventually Bolero Imperio, as we move towards post-crash norm and into BS6. So that's at the point of time on the annual in terms of discontinuity.